Numerous types of birds like to nest on ledges rather than in boxes or tree hollows. Some examples include robins, blue jays, barn swallows, and phoebes. It is really easy to construct a perfect nesting ledge for our feathered friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how. Welcome to Nature Yard Life. I'll start with a 1x8x6. This board is a little warped, but I'll straighten it out as best I can when I assemble the pieces. Sometimes you just have to work with what you have on hand. Measure out the individual piece lengths and cut up the board. As always, I'll leave all of these measurements in the video description below. It's good practice to clean up all the edges after cutting. Only takes a few seconds but makes a huge difference in the end. To create the curvature of the side walls, I'm going to use this plastic container. You can use any round-shaped object that will give you the arch you want. To cut this out, I'm just going to use my jigsaw. For the second wall piece, I'll just trace the first. Alright, let's get to the assembly. First, I'll attach the walls using screws. If you prefer nails, well, you can do that too. It is important to pre-drill your holes and use a countersink bit to ensure there are no splits. You don't want to ruin your project over something so preventable. Next, I'll attach the back plate. I'm a fan of using the screwdriver to finish off each one of these screws. That way, I can control the final amount of torque on each screw head. I cut this little end piece to attach to the front of the ledge. It will help prevent anything falling out for whatever reason, although I'm sure nature has that covered anyways. The small gap is to allow any liquid to drain out should it somehow get in. Ideally, this nesting ledge will be placed under a covered area and out of the rain. Here, I'm cutting a slight angle to allow the roof to slant forward. I'm putting a slight bevel on the roof and softening up all the edges. I know exactly 0 people who enjoy sanding, but again, a necessary job that pays off in the end. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed the video and found it informative. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.